In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change theme on CoinStats account. By the end, you'll know exactly how to switch between light and dark modes so your dashboard looks and feels just right for you. This is quick to do, but a little context goes a long way. Themes affect readability, eye strain, and even battery life on some devices, so it's worth picking the one that suits your environment. Start by opening CoinStats in your browser. Give the page a moment to load so all interface elements appear. You should land on your main dashboard or home view where you can see your portfolio and navigation. From here, you're looking for the settings icon. It's typically represented by a small gear and is usually placed in a top corner of the page. If your window is narrow, some icons might collapse into a menu, so widening the window or looking for a menu button can reveal the gear. Click the settings gear to open the settings panel. This is where CoinStats keeps quick access preferences that affect how the app looks and behaves. Inside this panel, locate the theme control. You'll see a theme toggle that lets you switch between available modes with a single click. Toggling it will immediately apply the change across the interface so you can see the difference right away without reloading the page. If you prefer a brighter interface during the day, choose the light theme. If you're working at night or want a lower glare view, switch to the dark theme. Some versions may also offer a system option. Selecting that will automatically match your device's current appearance, changing as your operating system switches between light and dark. That's handy if you like things to stay consistent without manual updates. There's no save button to press here. The preference applies instantly and typically sticks as you navigate. If you're signed in, the theme choice usually follows your account, so the same look is waiting the next time you open CoinStats on the web. If the change doesn't appear right away, a quick refresh of the page normally resolves it. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. Make sure you're in the main dashboard when looking for the gear icon, since some subpages show a simplified header. And if you don't see the theme toggle in settings, your layout might be slightly different. Check for a preferences section inside the same panel. That's all there is to it. Open CoinStats, click the settings gear, and use the theme toggle to select the look you prefer. Enjoy your updated workspace.